In a sunny backyard bustling with colors and smells, Scout, an exuberant little puppy with floppy ears and a wagging tail, bounced around on a mission to explore. Today, his curious nose led him to a peculiar new friend, a garden gnome with a cheeky grin and a bright red hat. Scout barked and wagged his tail, convinced he had found a new playmate. He nudged the gnome with his paw, expecting a lively game of chase, but the gnome remained stoic and silent. Undeterred, Scout circled around it, playfully bowing and yipping, hoping to coax it into action. Just then, a gentle breeze rustled the leaves, and a butterfly landed on the gnome's hat. Scout watched in awe, his tail wagging slower now as he realized the magic of simply being present. With a joyful leap, he bounded around the garden, content with his newfound understanding that sometimes the best buddies are the ones who